Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to change your email address on Indeed. Updating your email ensures you receive job alerts and notifications to the correct inbox, keeping you informed about new opportunities. So, let's get started on how to change your email on Indeed. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Settings from the menu. Select Account Settings from the options. In the drop-down menu, find and tap on the Change Email option. Type in your new email address, and once you're done, tap on Save Email. And that's how you can change your Indeed email. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.